Hey guys, welcome back to building an arcade out of Legos step by step. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to build a basketball hoop thing at the arcades. I don't know exactly what all these terminologies are called, but like an arcade would not be complete without this thing. Actually, my brother built this, so huge shout out to him, but like, even though the ball doesn't quite fit. Anyway, we are going to break this down and kind of build it together and see how this works out. This is a very kind of a complicated build, so you might need some Technic pieces. These are pretty standard Technic pieces, so if you have like a Technic set, you should get most of them in there. And again, you can use different types of pieces and just make it your own. Just have fun with it. These are just ideas, and you go and make whatever you want to. You know, no judgments here, unless you send them to me. Then I might have a little bit of judgment. But that's okay. We're gonna break it down a little bit with this, starting with this stand. So this is a basic stand. We'll just kind of break it apart. This is a three axle that you'll put in here. Some of these colors, there's a lot of colors in this structure. So, you know, again, if you don't have all the same colors, that's okay, because this doesn't have the same colors either. But if you put these pieces in here, these are these little things right here with a little pin inside. You put those in the holes that can hold this right here. So basically what's right here is you have this full of pins, and you stick that in here, which will now clip to a Lego brick. And this is just a series of plates and stuff. It's actually 5 wide, so it'll fit inside, and that's kind of what the minifigure scale was of it. But if you put it down, and then you can put the nice stripe in the middle, and you can just put some details. So I want you guys to be creative and put whatever you want right there. And then this little hinge right here would be good. So you can put it, you can set it inside and clip it on the back, and it can go down, right? So now you have this type of thing. The next part you want to do is basically what these are like flexible little things, which I think are pretty cool. You can really bend them however you want to, but basically what you do is you just put it on the top and put it down, and then you just kind of match it on the sides to wherever you want to. So there we go, kind of like that. And we'll put the other one kind of like that. And these goals are really simple. They're made of has this jumper plate with a regular plate on the bottom, and then has these the minifigure like life jacket things. I'm not sure what they are, but they're like that. And then the glass brick that goes on top of that. You make 2 of those, and they just set in right next to each other, and boom, you've got your basketball shooting game. I think it looks pretty nice actually, but you can kind of see in the front. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.